The video transmitter on the Tinyhawk S comes locked. You may need to unlock it to get to certain channels, because in some countries the frequencies on those channels are illegal to use. If you find that the VTX is not transmitting anything but it's still hot, like it's running, that means you switch to a channel that's locked. So you can either use the button here to change to a channel that's unlocked, or we can just unlock the whole VTX. To unlock this, you need to be pressing this little button on the VTX while putting in the battery. According to the instructions, indicator lights should turn on once it's unlocked. Also, here's a chart of all the channels you get when it's locked and all the channels you get when it's unlocked. If you can't tell if it's locked or not, you should try changing it to one of the channels that would be locked in the locked position and see if it transmits on that channel. If it doesn't, then it's still locked. I'm going to use my tweezers here to push the button and then plug in the battery. Now a green light came on. That should mean that it unlocked. We'll have to test that out a little later to make sure it's working correctly. We need to figure out what channel this is on. I will plug it in. And I can see that I'm on a channel very close, good enough that I can see what's going on. One of the great things about Betaflight is there's an on-screen display menu system. To get to it, put both sticks in the center, yaw to the left, and pitch forward. You do it kind of fast. You can get to a lot of different menu items by moving your right stick around. You can also move left stick to go back. It's easier to use the on-screen display menu when the lens cap is on, otherwise it's really hard to see these letters. In features, there's your VTX Smart Audio. Here you can change your band and your channel and your power if your VTX has the ability to change power, instead of pushing the little tiny button on there to change your band and channel. I want to find one of the locked channels. E6 should be locked. We're gonna go to, there's E6. Now we'll set it, confirm yes, and I'll change band on here, E6. So it's transmitting on E6, and that would only work if the VTX is unlocked. So now I know the whole VTX is unlocked. We can exit out of here. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.